Welcome back to Gadgets Find. Today, we're checking out the Cummins CMN3000W, a 3000-watt modified sine wave power inverter designed to give you more power on the road, at the campsite, or wherever you're building your mobile setup. This inverter converts 12-volt DC power into 110-volt AC power, giving you access to standard AC outlets from your vehicle's battery system. With up to 3,000 watts of power, it's designed for larger power needs than a typical compact car inverter. One of the most useful things here is the 4 AC outlets. That means you can connect multiple compatible devices at the same time, instead of constantly switching between plugs. You also get 2 USB ports, which makes charging smaller electronics like phones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets much more convenient. Another nice addition is the included cable kit. Having the necessary cables included can make getting your setup connected a little easier. Although you should still make sure the wiring and protection are properly rated for the power you're actually going to use. This makes the Cummins inverter particularly interesting for van life, camping, road trips, RV setups, and other mobile applications where access to regular household power isn't always available. Because this is a modified sine wave inverter, it's important to check the requirements of your devices before using them. Some sensitive electronics, appliances, motors, and chargers may work better with the pure sine wave inverter, so compatibility is something you definitely want to consider. The overall package is focused on practical mobile power, 3,000 watts of capacity, 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and a cable kit in one setup. So, if you're looking for a high-capacity inverter for your vehicle, van life, camping trips, or RV setup, the Cummins CMN3000W is definitely worth checking out. For the latest price and more details, click the link below for the best price.